Communication is about leading. It's about facing challenges and doing our part to overcome them. That's the magic of communication. That's what this class is really about. I think oral communication in the workplace is a bit of a misnomer. It's not just about communicating effectively in the workplace. It's about using our communication skills to lead, to change ourselves, others, and those around us. That's what it means to communicate with power in the workplace. Communication is the tool that moves mountains. It allows us to transform cities, states, and whole nations. It allows us to move people to act in ways that they didn't even think were possible. So it's incumbent upon all of us to use the tools that we've been given to do big things, to do things that matter, to do things that change other people's lives, and to make this world just a little bit better for all of us. Our society needs leaders like you. It needs people to grab the torch, wave it through the air, and show others the way. So step up. Step up. Use your communication skills to get to the front of the line. And when you're at the front, look straight ahead and remind your audience members, but most importantly, remind yourself that you have what it takes to lead. Good luck, everybody.